Hey everyone, I'm making this video to show that you can replace rot around a prehung door sill without replacing the entire prehung door or its frame. So I'll post some photos into this, but this door was totally rotted out. In the two corners, and that in turn rotted the floor out. So I replaced the 3/4 plywood paneling, and then once that was done, I took some flexible flashing tape and I flashed the edges, and then I installed a jam sill guard, which is a PVC sill pan that'll allow any water that gets behind here to flow out over my trim. Once that was done, I put some more flashing tape to direct water over the sill guard if it perhaps gets behind the edges of my trim, and then cut as straight as I could with the Sawzall my trim off above the rot, cut pieces of trim to match that size, and then I mocked all of this up with the old sill and put a little bit of construction adhesive in each corner and let this sit overnight in the correct orientation. So once that was held together in a good template, I took it out, filled any voids, and then ran fasteners into this plastic core that's inside here. So now I can run a little bit of construction adhesive across the back, maybe a little bit underneath along some of the reinforced areas, but not blocking any water from flowing. And then screw this into the 2x4 framing on each side, and I'll have a nice solid sill repair. Now, the reason I did this is because these doors are $300 to $1,000 and the quality's not great. So I chose to trade time for money and repair what I had. I hope this helps someone else repair their door, and I'll post a follow-on video here of what it looks like when it's complete. And this is the finished product. A little bit of sun here. You can see, yeah, I was off. About 1/8 of an inch on that side. No big deal. It's just a shed. Came out really nice. Still a little bit of seam there. Didn't sand it down too much, but overall, for the time and money, can't beat it.